What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today this is on a random Friday. This Friday just got from work. Well, I saw somebody posted the Ferrari here at AC Hotel, so big up to Nick for representing Jamaica. Yeah, like the first 296 GTB in Jamaica. In person, it looks way smaller in person, and of course nothing stays stuck for too long with Nick. He had to drop on some custom wheels on it, and here we have Mac right here. Yeah, big media. Yo, Tony, seeing this car, it doesn't feel real. Yeah, it don't feel real, like seeing it on picture.
Yeah, it look weird.
Yeah.
No, but that weird that body, you know, like
nah, good.
I can't believe it there.
Exactly.
Like,
yo, look at up here, so.
no?
And you have the engine case right there.
Oh shit, a glass left.
Yeah. If you shine it, you sense the engine. That's crazy. Ferrari 296 GTB. And it's a what? A twin turbo? Yeah, that's twin turbo. Yeah, it's very. It looks small.
The picture did not do it justice, no. Especially the wheels.
Yeah, it's insane.
Now, all wheel are here.
How does it feel?
Yeah, must be.
It doesn't give the crazy feeling like the 720. No. But it's 800 horsepower. Smoother? Yeah. Yeah guys, so big up to Nick Manley again. This is a really clean machine. Almost 830 horsepower. Yo, look at that. That's insane. Yeah, it's really a good look. And of course, this is not the only nice car here, but I'm just doing the shot so that you guys can see. I'm going to show you the next car that is here, which is a 992 Turbo S. Fully blacked out. I think this is the highest spec Turbo S in Jamaica. 992 Turbo S. This is the... I know, right? Yeah, man, this is the exact spec I want to, you know?
Exactly.
Yo, look, carbon fiber mirror caps. This car was at the Jamaica Auto Show at National Arena. But yeah, big up to the owner on this. Really nice machine. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So this is actually the day after me doing the video of the 296 GTB. Right now, we're on our way to BD Greg, and we're gonna get some tires for this car. So if anyone don't know what car I'm talking about my Suzuki Swift Sport. I'm gonna do a full review on this car soon, but yeah, we're gonna get some new tires because I haven't changed the tires from since I got it. And when I got it, the front left one was completely bald. So like whenever they're taking it off, I'm going to make you guys see the condition of the tire. But every morning I have to re-inflate it just because it's slow leaking. So, and that's taking a lot of time out of my day to just go re-pump it every time, and that's not safe when it comes to driving because anything can happen. I'm just going to show you the process of me getting the tires, get them installing it and everything. This is off topic, but definitely what I can say is, guys, no matter what, always get a car that you can manage. Buying a car is one, but it's maintaining it is the next thing. I'm not saying you can't go buy a car that you want, but always make sure that you have something back up so that in case anything, you're good. I'm just bringing you guys along with me and throughout the journey. This is my new segment of vlogging. So yeah, we're here now. BD Greg, night time. So right here we're in the office. We have some nice rooms. I guess I drop one of them here in a Zeus. Believe. They have the GT rooms here as well. Nice. For Royal Block. Is 205 40 17 yeah
205.
so I just got the tires them a while ago, and best believe if it's not about content or YouTube videos, I believe. But yeah, we get the 4 tire them now. I'm not sure what I should do next, but
You bring it back.
right, this one? So we're gonna move it right now. You see, this is the only brand new tire that I got. The rest of them, yeah?
Tell you another one thing or the other.
Yeah.
But I guess it's vehicle really and take up vehicle, take up a young child.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Alright, so them say move it. Wheels and tires are off. Yo, the car looks so weird. Like this. And all 4s are off. Yo, the view with the car like this is whenever they start putting it back on. Whenever they start putting back the tires on, I'll start back the video again. The car dirty right now still. The car is extremely dirty. But we'll still get our... Hey guys, it was straight pipe. This is guys, go straight pipe. No exhaust like raggy. So this is the old one. This is the one that... Oh, that's why it have a nail in it. So that's why I did a slowly use this as a floor spot thing for my mother. And then keep the next to brand new one for a spare. So yeah, mommy gonna get this to put her flowers in it. Look at the nail, so that's why every minute it leaks. That's crazy. Yeah guys, so the car is going up for alignment now. As you can see, fresh meat. About to get aligned. Just a big up to BD Greg again for making this happen. Let's go. But yeah, the service was really good. Big up to BD Greg. And see how these tires run. And see how they feel on the road. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. See you guys on the next day. I'm not sure what to do tomorrow, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching.